Leonard's here for you.
Yes, our last call is a duet. The young lady is Miss Wendy Arthur. She's interested in the theater, and she's involved in many student honor societies. She plans to attend UC Davis in the fall. The other member of the duet is Mr. Craig Matthew. He likes swimming and hockey and soccer, and he also is a member of several honor societies, and he expects to matriculate at Bucknell in the fall. I'd like you to welcome this duet.
All right, Wendy and Craig.
Good evening.
And welcome to Montana.
Let us present
Timpanucci Scupido.
or the
Greater Prairie Chicken. You just can't miss them. They're everywhere.
Why, there's one now.
With its short, rounded tail,
And dense barred patterning on its underparts.
it has a tuft of about 10 dark brown feathers.
Oh, look, it must be a carton because its orange air sacs are inflating.
Can you hear it?
Can't you hear it? Well, it goes like this.
Before you leave, I've said this before, and at the risk of repeating myself, we're going to bring them all out in a moment. But, you know, young kids nowadays get bum rapped so much, you know, this generation. And if these young kids are any indication of the kind of people we're growing up in this country, we're in pretty good shape. Because these are very nice people.
Thank you very much.
Let's have them all come out now. Now, you will now hear. Okay, kids. Now, before we go, we have always ended this way as a final salute to our bird callers from Piedmont. You are going to hear a cacophony of sound now. We're going to have all of these young people simultaneously, for a final bow, do their calls. On the count of three. All ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. The bird callers from Piedmont High School. Leonard, thank you again. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Come back next year. We'll be wonderful. And we'll be back in a moment. Thank you, gang.